Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. In this video, we are going to see the top 10 tricks in multiplication. First, trick number 1. Let us multiply the numbers starting in 1 or ending in 1. First, let us multiply 13 into 15. Here the numbers are starting in 1. There are two steps. First step, multiply the ones digit. That is, we have to multiply 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. So write 5, take carry 1. Next, second step, take this first number, that is 13, and add with the next number ones place, that is 5. So we have to add 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. And add the carry number 1. 18 plus 1, 19. Therefore, the answer is 195. Next, let us multiply 16 into 17. Here also the numbers are starting with 1. So, we can use the same method. First step, multiply the ones digits. So, we have to multiply 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. So, write 2. Take carry 4. Next, second step, take this first number 16 and add with the next number ones place, that is 7. So 16 plus 7, that is 23. 23 plus 4, 27. So we get the answer 272. Next, we have to multiply 81 into 51. Here the numbers are ending with 1. First write 1, this is fixed number, because always this 1 into 1 is 1. We follow the two steps, add the tens digits, that is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. So write 3 and take carry 1. Next step, multiply the tens digits. 8 5s are 40 plus add the carry number 1, that is 41. So we get the answer 4131. Next, let us multiply 71 into 91. Here also the numbers are ending with 1. So the last number 1 is fixed. Next, let us follow the steps. First step, add tens digit. Adding this 7 plus 9, we get 16. So write 6 and take carry 1. Next step, multiply the tens digits. That is 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63 plus 1, that is 64. So we get the answer 6461. Next, trick number 2. Let us multiply the numbers having same tens place and sum of ones place is 10. Here see the numbers. We have the same tens place. Here we have 3 3. Here we have 4 4. Here we have 6 6. And then sum of ones place is 10. So adding the ones place, 3 plus 7, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. So for these type of numbers, we can multiply very easily. First, let us multiply 33 into 37. We have two steps. First step, multiply the ones digit. That is 3 into 7. 3 into 7, 21. Next step, take any one of the tens digit. Here we have same tens digit. So take any one number. I am taking the first number 3. Multiply with next number 4. So 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Therefore, the answer is 1221. Next, let us multiply 42 into 48. First step, multiply the ones digit, that is 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Second step, multiply the tens digit and next digit. So take the tens place 4, the next number is 5. Multiply this 4 into 5, 20. Therefore the answer is 2016. Next let us multiply 64 into 66. We follow the same procedure. First step, multiply the ones digits, that is 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. Second step, take this tens digit, that is 6, multiply with next digit. For 6 the next number is 7. So 6 into 7, 6 sevens are 42. Therefore the answer is 4224. Next, trick number 3. Let us multiply the numbers having same ones place and sum of tens place is 10. Here see the numbers, we have the same ones place. See the first number we have 2 2, next number we have 7 7, next number we have 9 9. So we have same ones place and sum of tens place is 7 plus 3 10. Next number sum of tens place 9 plus 1 10. Next number sum of tens place 8 plus 2 10. So for these numbers also we have a very easy trick. First let us multiply 72 into 32. There are two steps. First step, multiply the ones digit, that is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. We have to enter 2 digits, so write 0 4. Next take L shape like this. So this shape is like the letter L. So take the L shape like this. First multiply and then add. So first multiply 7 into 3 and then add, that is plus 2. First multiply 7 into 3, 21, and then add plus 2. 21 plus 2 is 23. Therefore the answer is 2304. Next let us multiply 97 into 17. We follow the same method. There are two steps. First step, multiply the ones digit, that is 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Next step, take L shape like this. First multiply and then add. So first multiply 9 into 1, 9. Next add plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. Therefore the answer is 1649. Next let us multiply 89 into 29. We follow the same method. First step, multiply the ones digit, that is 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. Next step, take L shape like this. First multiply and then add. So first multiply 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Plus 9. 16 plus 9, 25. Therefore the answer is 2581. Next, trick number 4. Let us multiply the numbers by 5, 25 and 125. First let us multiply the number 368 into 5. For this we have a shortcut technique. Take half of the given number and then add 0 at the back. So now using this technique, take half of this number 368. So dividing by 2, first number 3 by 2 is 1 balance 1, next number take it as 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Next number 8 divided by 2 is 4. So take half of this number and then add 0 at the back. Therefore the answer is 1840. Next, let us multiply 752 into 25. So to multiply by 25, we use the shortcut method, take half twice and add 00 at the back. So we have to take half twice. The given number is 752. Take half of this number, we get 376. Again we have to take half of this, that is 188. So like this we have to take half twice and then add 00 at the back. That's all. This is the answer. Next let us multiply 980 into 125. To multiply by 125, we have the shortcut technique, take half thrice and add 000 at the back. The given number is 980. Take half of this number, we get 490. This is first half. Again taking half of this number, we get 245. This is second half. Again taking half of this number, we get 122.5. So like this we have to take half thrice and finally add 000 at the back. That means multiply by 1000. For one decimal point we can remove 1 0 and just add the remaining 2 zeros at the back. So we get the answer 122500. We can remember the conditions very easily. For one number 5, take half one time and add 1 0. 25 is 2 digits. So we have to take half 2 times and add 2 zeros. 125 is 3 digits. So remember we have to take half 3 times and then add 3 times 0. Next trick number 5. Let us multiply the numbers by 9, 99 and 999. First let us multiply the numbers 681 into 9. For this we have the shortcut method. Take the given number, add 0 at the back and then subtract that number. So the number is 681. Just add 0 at the back, we get 6810 and subtract that same number 681. So now subtracting this we can get the answer. Here we have to subtract this. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow 1 from this. So we get 10 here. 10 minus 1, 9. Now this is 0. Again borrow 1 from this. We get 10. 10 minus 8, 2. And this will become 7. So 7 minus 6, 1. Finally take and write this number 6. So the answer is 6129. Next let us multiply 924 into 99. So to multiply by 99, we have the shortcut trick, add 00 and then subtract that number. So here we have to multiply 924 by 99. So the number is 924. Take that number 924, add 00 at the back, that is 92400 and subtract that same number 924. Now subtracting this we can get the answer. Borrow 1 from this, this will become 10. Again borrow 1, this will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Next 9 minus 2, 7. Here we have 3. So borrow again 1 from this. 13 minus 9, 4. And this will become 1. So take and write 1 and the last number is 9. So we get the answer 91476. Next let us multiply 753 into 999. For this we have the shortcut trick, add 000 at the back and just subtract that number. Here the number is 753. So take that number 753, add 000, that is 000. And we have to subtract the same number 753. Now subtracting this, borrow 1 from this will become 10, again borrow, this will become 10, again borrow 1, this will become 10, and now 10 minus 3 is 7, and this is 9, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, this will become 2, and finally take and write the remaining numbers 5 and 7. So we get the answer 7522247. And remember, to multiply by single number 9, we have to add single 0. And to multiply by 99, 99 is 2 digits, so we have to add 2 times 0. 999 is 3 digits, so we have to add 3 times 0. Next, trick number 6. Let us see the multiplication of numbers by 11, 111 and 1111. First let us multiply the numbers 35 into 11. To multiply by 11, we have the shortcut method, increase and decrease the sum up to 2 digits. So take the number 35 and do it from the right end. Right end, take one number, that is 5. Next take two numbers and add, that is 5 and 3. Adding this 5 plus 3, 8. We have to take up to 2 digits. After that decrease. Decrease means next we have to take one number, that is take and write this 3 here. So we get the answer 385. Next let us multiply the numbers 563 into 111. To multiply by 111, we have the shortcut method, increase and decrease the sum up to 3 digits. Here the number is 563. So take the number 563 and do it from the right end. Take one number, that is 3. Next take two numbers, that is 3 and 6. Adding this 3 plus 6, 9. Next take 3 numbers and add 3 plus 6 plus 5. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So write 4, carry 1. We have taken up to 3 digits. After that decrease. That means take two numbers 6 and 5. Adding this 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So write 2, carry 1. Again decrease, that means take one number, that is 5. So this 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore the answer is 62493. Next let us multiply the numbers 8172 into 1111. To multiply by 1111, we have the shortcut method, that is increase and decrease the sum up to 4 digits. Here the number is 8172. So take this number and do it from right end. Right end take one number, that is this 2. So take and write this 2. Next take two numbers, that is 2 and 7. Adding this 2 plus 7, 9. Next take 3 numbers, 2, 7, 1. Adding this 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So write 0, carry 1. Next take 4 numbers and add. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus carry number 1, that is 19. So write 9 carry 1. We have taken up to 4 digits. After that decrease. That means we have to take 3 numbers, that is 7, 1 and 8. Adding this 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17. So write 7 carry 1. Next again decrease and take 2 numbers, that is 1 and 8. Adding this 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 1 10. So write 0 carry 1. Again decrease and take 1 number, that is this number 8. 8 plus 1 9. Therefore the answer is 9079092. Remember, to multiply by 11 we have to take up to 2 digits because 11 is a 2-digit number. To multiply by 111 we have to take up to 3 digits because 111 is 3-digit number. To multiply by 1111 we have to take up to 4 digits because this 1111 is 4-digit number. Next, trick number 7. Let us multiply the numbers near the base numbers 100 and 1000. First let us multiply 97 into 98. Here the base is 100 because the numbers are near 100. First write the difference. 97 minus 100 is minus 3. Next 98 minus 100 is minus 2. Here we have to follow 2 steps only. First step, multiply the difference numbers. So these two we have to multiply. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. We have to enter 2 digits 0 6. Remember, for base 100 we have to enter 2 digits. Next step, add the cross numbers. So 97 minus 2 is 95. Therefore the answer is 9506. Next let us multiply 102 into 104. Here also the base number is 100 because the numbers are near 100. First write the difference. 102 minus 100 is 2. Next 104 minus 100 is 4. We follow the same method. First step, multiply the difference numbers. That is 2 into 4, 8. We have to enter 2 digits, so write 0, 8. Second step, just add the cross numbers. 102 plus 4, that is 106. Therefore the answer is 10608. Next let us multiply 998 into 999. Here the base is 1000 because the numbers are near 1000. First write the difference. 998 minus 1000 is minus 2. Next 999 minus 1000 is minus 1. We follow the same method. First step, multiply the difference numbers. That is minus 2 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. We have to enter 3 digits. So 0 0 2. Remember, for base 1000 we have to enter 3 digits. This we can remember easily. For base 100 There are 2 zeros, so remember we have to enter 2 digits. For base 1000, we have 3 zeros, so remember we have to enter 3 digits. So this is first step. Second step, just add the cross numbers. 998 minus 1, that is 997. Therefore the answer is 997002. Next, let us multiply 1003 into 1005. Here also the base is 1000. First write the difference. 1003 minus 1000 is 3. Next, 1005 minus 1000 is 5. First step, multiply the difference numbers, that is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. We have to enter 3 digits, so write 0 1 5. Next, add the cross numbers. Here 1003 plus 5, that is 1008. Therefore the answer is 1008015. Next, trick number 8. Easy multiplication of any number. We can multiply very easily. First, let us multiply 34 into 53. First step, multiply vertically. Multiply 4 into 3, 12. We have to enter 2 digits here. Next, multiply vertically, that is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. This is the first step. Second step, cross multiply. So first I am taking this right cross. 3 into 3, 9. We have to enter 2 digits, that is 0 9. Leave one space and write 0 9. That means this 0 9 is in the middle position. Next, cross multiply 4 into 5. That is left cross. 4 5s are 20. So this also write it in the middle position, that is center position. Now adding this we can get the answer. So take and write this 2. Next, adding this 1 plus 9, 10. So write 0, take carry 1. And then 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. And finally take and write this 1 here. Therefore the answer is 1802. For 2 digits multiplication, we have only 2 steps. First step, vertical multiply. Second step, cross multiply. Next, let us multiply 72 into 28. So these are 2 digits. So we have only 2 steps. First step, multiply vertically. That is 2 into 8, 16. Next, vertical multiply 7 into 2, 14. This is first step. Second step, cross multiply. First right cross, 7 8s are 56. Leave one space and write 56. That means this 56 is in the center position. Next, left cross, 2 2s are 4. We have to enter 2 digits, that is 0 4. That also write in the center position. Now adding this we can get the answer. First take and write this 6 here. Next, adding this 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So write 1, carry 1. Next, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So write 0 and take carry 1. And finally this 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore the answer is 2016. Next, let us multiply 463 into 847. Here the numbers are 3 digits. So we have 3 steps. First step, multiply vertically. 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. Next 6 into 4. 6 fours are 24. Next 4 into 8. 4 eights are 32. Next second step, cross multiply. So take the right cross, that is 6 sevens are 42. Leave one space and write 42. Next right cross, 4 into 4, that is 16. That we have to write it here. And here you can observe that this number is in the center position. Next left cross, that is 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12. So write 12 here. Next left cross, 6 into 8. 6 eights are 48. Write 48 here, and this also in the center position. So this is second step. Third step, long cross multiply. Only for the 3-digit numbers we have the third step, that is long cross multiply. Long cross means this number, first number 4 into last number 7. 4 sevens are 28. Again leave one space and write 28. That means this 28 is also in the center position. Next take another long cross, that is 3 into 8. 3 eights are 24. So write 24 here. And now adding this we can get the answer. So first number take and write 1 here. Next adding this 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2. Next adding this 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 4 21. Write 1, take carry 2. Next adding this 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 18 plus 2 20 plus 2 22. So write 2, carry 2. Next adding this 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. And finally take and write this 3 here. So we get the answer 392161. Next trick number 9. Box multiplication of any number. We can use this trick to multiply any number. First let us multiply 34 into 45. Here there are two steps. So first number 34. So take 34 in the row like this. Next number 45. Take it in the column like this. And now just multiply one by one and enter the numbers in the boxes. And remember we have to enter 2 digits. So for that just we draw lines diagonally like this. And now we can enter 4 into 3 12. Next multiply 4 into 4 16. Next take this number 5 and multiply 5 into 3 15. Next 5 into 4 20. Next step, just adding diagonally we can get the answer. So we have to do it from the right end. So take this diagonal first. So this number is 0. Take next diagonal, that is this diagonal, and add the numbers 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13. So write 3 and take carry 1. Add next diagonal 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, and add the carry number 4 plus 1 5. And take the final diagonal, that is 1. So take and write 1 here. Therefore the answer is 1530. Similarly we can multiply 98 into 26. So take the first number 98 like this. Next number 26. Take it like this. And follow the same procedure. First step, just multiply the numbers one by one and enter the numbers in the boxes. Second step, just add diagonally. We have to enter 2 digits only, so draw lines diagonally like this. Now multiply 2 into 9, 18. Next multiply 2 into 8, 16. And then take the number 6 and multiply 6 into 9, 54. Next 6 into 8, 48. Next step, we have to add diagonally. Do it from the right end. So take this diagonal first. So this number is 8. Take next diagonal and add the numbers. Take next diagonal and add the numbers. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So write 4 and take carry 1. And then take the next diagonal and add the numbers. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Write 5 and carry 1. Next take the last diagonal 1. This 1 add with this carry number 1. So we get 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 2, 5, 4, 8. Similarly, we can multiply 756 into 554. See that it's a 3-digit number. So we have to take 3 by 3 table like this. Now take the first number 756 and then second number 554 and draw the lines diagonally like this. Now first step, just multiply and enter the numbers one by one. So take this 5 and multiply 5 into 7. 35. Next 5 into 5, 25. Next 5 into 6, 30. Take next number 5 and just multiply one by one. 5 into 7, 35. Next 5 into 5, 25. Next 5 into 6, 30. And then take next number 4 and multiply one by one. 4 into 7, 28. Next 4 into 5, 20. Next 4 into 6, 24. Next step, add diagonally. Do it from the right end. So we take this diagonal. Here we have the number 4, so take and write 4. Next take this diagonal and add the numbers. 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is 2. So take and write 2. This is next diagonal. Adding this diagonal, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So write 8 and carry 1. Take next diagonal and add the numbers. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So write 8 and carry 1. Adding next diagonal, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus this number 1, 11. So write 1, carry 1. And take the last diagonal. We have the number 3 and just add 3 plus 1 this number 1, that is 4. So we get the answer 418824. Next trick number 10. Pair multiplication of any number. This trick we can use it for multiplication of any number. First let us multiply 12 into 23. Take the pairs in increasing order, after that decreasing order. Here we have 2-digit numbers. So first take one pair, after that 2 pairs and then decrease. again we have to take one pair. Take this first pair and do vertical multiply, that is 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. Next we have to take 2 pairs, so take 2 pairs like this and do cross multiply, that is 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 2 4. Cross multiply and add, so 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 7. So next take this one pair and do vertical multiply, that is 1 into 2 2. That's all. This is the answer. Therefore 12 into 23 is 276. Similarly, we can multiply 52 into 81. We follow the same procedure. First we have to take one pair, that is 2 and 1, and do vertical multiply, 2 into 1 2. Next take 2 pairs and do cross multiply, 5 into 1 5 plus 2 into 8 16. Cross multiply and add the numbers, so 5 plus 16, that is 21. So write 1, carry 2. Next we have to take one pair, that is 5 and 8, and do vertical multiply, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 42. Therefore the answer is 4212. Next let us multiply 121 into 755. First take one pair, that is 1 and 5, and do vertical multiply, 1 into 5 5. Next take 2 pairs and do cross multiply, that is 2 into 5 plus 1 into 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 into 5 5. So 10 plus 5 15, write 5, carry 1. Next take 3 pairs and do both vertical and cross multiply. Here we have to vertical multiply 2 into 5 and then cross multiply 1 into 5, 1 into 7, and we have to add the numbers. 2 into 5 10, 10 plus 1 into 5 5, 10 plus 5 15, plus 1 into 7 7, 15 plus 7 22, plus carry number 1, that is 23. So write 3, carry 2. So for 3 digit numbers maximum we can have 3 pairs, after that decrease. So next take 2 pairs and do cross multiply, that is 1 into 5 5 plus 2 into 7 14, 5 plus 14 19, 19 plus 2 21. So write 1, carry 2. Next we have to take one pair, that is 1 and 7, and do vertical multiply, 1 into 7 7, 7 plus 2 9. Therefore the answer is 91355. We can use these tricks in any school exams or college exams or competitive exams. Thanks for watching.